Still wasting hours searching up and down for a ground fault? Not anymore. With the GFL-1500 ground fault locator, what used to take hours now takes minutes. This three-piece troubleshooting system uses fault track technology to generate a traceable signal through the fault path. This innovative solution redefines how technicians locate active ground faults in solar PV systems. You have 4 different functions to troubleshoot your array. Analyze function lets you quickly identify the presence of an active fault with key diagnostic details. Fault tracing function guides you along the fault path to pinpoint the failure in the array. Open circuit function helps you locate breaks in wires and guides you directly to the point of interruption. And map function helps to identify and confirm string layouts by routing the traceable signal through a healthy string. Start at an inverter or combiner box with the GFL-1500 transmitter. The transmitter will generate a traceable signal through the fault path, so you can then grab the signal tracing clamp or receiver to follow the signal and pinpoint the fault in your array. With fault track technology, the work that used to be a challenge is easier than ever. Time is money, and this tool just gave you back both. Precision fault location, zero guesswork. The FLUKE GFL-1500 Ground Fault Locator.